Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Xbox game bar capture is grayed out on a Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So first one, what you have to do is you just have to follow the instruction. What you have to do is just have to go over here in the start menu. You have to right click and you just have to navigate to settings. From here, what you have to do is just have to navigate to gaming. Now from here you have to select capture option under gaming. You have to select this option, and over here as you can see we are having many options under recording performances, and make sure all these things are turned on, right? You have to make sure these things are turned on, and you have to see whether you are make sure these all things are like turned on, or else you'll be having the trouble. So once it is done, what you have to do is you just have to close this, right? This is the first and basic step which you have to try out. After trying this, you just have to follow the next one. You just have to go over here in the search and you have to search for REGISTRY. Just have to search for REGISTRY, which means registry editory, and you just have to open this one. Now from here as you can see I have already worked here, so I'm having a lot of things to get sorted things out. So what I'll do is I'll make all these look like this. Okay. Now from here you just have to follow the instructions. So I'll be giving the path in the description, so you don't have to worry. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to click on the H key, current user. You have to click on this one and you have to expand this. Now from here you just have to move down and you have to click on the software and you have to expand this one. Now from here you just have to navigate to Microsoft folder. Now from here you have to expand this. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to keep on navigating to Windows. Let me select this one and you just have to go next over here. Now from here you have to select current version. Now what you have to do is just have to expand the current version. Now from here if you scroll down a little bit, you have to keep on scrolling, and in the down the road you will be able to find Game DVR. As you can see I have already selected this. Just have to expand this. Now from here as you can see, if you click on the Game DVR you will be able to see over here as you can see you'll be able to see one file named Apple is enabled, but here as you can see right now it is not there, so you have to create it. For creating you just have to click on new and go for key, and you have to you have to create the respective one. After creating the respective one, I mean in the sense you just have to create the respective one. So here we have to create it. So, okay, so over here in the Game DVR, if you select the Game DVR, as you can see, if you select this one, all these values are not the same. So here it's already been done. So what you have to do is you just have to create a new key over there. So here we have to create a new key and you have to select which one you need. For example, depending on your Windows, so mine is 64-bit, so I'll go for this one. And here you have to create a key named app capture enabled. Okay, so I'll be creating this key. Now I done with the key, and now you just have to right click on this. Now as you can see the value is 0. In some cases the value will be 2 and you have to change the value to 1 and go for OK. And most probably after this you have to restart your PC, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And this is how we can fix Xbox game bar capture is grayed out on a Windows 11, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.